Hey guys, this is Applied Weapons Tech. Quick video on the new Shaman scales that we just released. These are an updated version of what we've been making for quite some time. Same outer profile. Everything is really the same except we went ahead and added the aggressive agent milling to these. So a lot more grippy. And we actually contoured them as well, which really feels a lot thinner in the hand than the original set of scales that we did on the Shaman. So this was the original agent milling, so it's very subtle, and we just had a lot of people asking about doing something more aggressive. So that's why we're going to probably go through and kind of update some of the scales and designs that we've done. So we figured we'd start with the Shaman since we kind of knocked out the Bodacious and they're so similar. So we kind of applied a lot of the same techniques to this, contoured the scale instead of a flat scale like on the original one. This actually feels a lot more beefy in the hand, so if you're looking for something like that, more substantial, then you may want to stick with the flat versions. This has got a lot thinner feel when you're holding it. I'll drop a link down in the description. You can check them out there or go to appliedweaponstech.com.